I've heard it all. Our conversations got me feeling.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, welcome. For my returning subscribers, hey fam, how's it going? Welcome back to yet another video. So for this video, I am going to show you guys how I installed this gorgeous wig. Like, this wig is from UNICE hair. I did purchase this wig with my own money. This is not a sponsored video at all, so this will be my 100% honest review. As always, I will keep it real with you guys. I'm not going to be telling no lies, but I personally am in love with this unit. The color, guys know I had the same color for my braids, so this color is a color that I'm really loving for the fall. I will turn around so you guys can see the back. But let's go to the next clip so you guys can see how I did install this wig. So make sure you stay tuned for that. So this is the box that everything came in. So I'm just going to open it up. So first we have the wig. Then we have a bag of goodies. So in here we have a few different things. First up is a wig band. So this is like when you're tying the wig down, or like, you know, having the lace set in place. Then a pair of lashes. These are actually really like big and dramatic. I don't know if I would actually wear those. They're a little bit of my comfort zone. I believe this is a bonnet. I haven't opened it up yet, but let's do that. So yeah, this is just a bonnet. I actually really like the color. It's a nice chocolate brown. It's cute. And then there's one other thing. This is like a makeup brush. So I guess you can use this like when you're applying like your foundation to the wig cap or the lace if you want. This is actually a cute, like nice fluffy brush. But yeah. So those are the goodies that came with the wig. Let's put those back in here and we will take a look at the wig. So this is the wig. Like, look at that color. It's so pretty. I think this is such a beautiful color for the fall. And if you saw, like, this is like very similar to the color of the braids I recently had in, and I just really love copper colors for this time of year, or like chocolate brown colors. I think they're perfect for the fall. But we are going to go ahead and install this wig. So this is a 18-inch body wave wig. It is a lace closure, so it's not a lace front. I believe this is a 5x5 lace closure wig, but we're gonna go ahead. This will be very easy to install because it's not a lace front. It's not like a 13x4. But yeah, so first we're gonna put on my wig cap. All right, we're going to adjust the straps at the back just to make sure it does fit more snugly on my head. So I would not say I have a big head. I think I have more of a medium-sized head, but I do like to put the clips to the tightest, like, you know, so it's as tight as it can be. So that's how I'm putting them. Okay. Put that on. on. Ooh. I think it's always a good idea to see how the wig sits before you do start like gluing it down or anything. So that's why I like to like put the wig on before I really start gluing it down. So for this install, I am using Got To Be blasting freeze spray. So we're just gonna pull the lace back. Okay, now we're gonna put this place, making sure, you know, we're putting the lace where we want it to sit. Pressing down. So what I've been seeing a lot of people do is like once you have the lace like kind of, you also want to go over top and spray again. But really trying to avoid spraying the hair. Like you don't really want to get the spray on the hair because then it's going to make the hair like hard and crunchy, and that's not what we're going for. So being really careful here. So if you have clips, you can use clips to like clip back the hair, or just be really careful about doing this part. Did get some on the hair, but we'll be fine. Now using the wig band I got, I'm going to set that. So I'm gonna let this sit for about 15 minutes before I go ahead and cut the lace. So it really is like, you know, pressing in and drying down before I go ahead and cut that lace off so it won't move. So I will see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so now it is time to cut the lace off. So I just went ahead and did some light makeup while I was waiting. So once again, we just want to make sure we are moving the hair out of the way. We don't want to accidentally cut the hair. So I'm using my eyebrow razor.
I just want you to focus. Pull me in, pull me closer. Give me that diagnosis. Blow my mind like explosions. Just one touch leaves me helpless. On repeat like it's endless. That she's turned to a white dress. Looks so good, damn, you did this, yeah. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. Just focus on my love. Yeah. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus.
So there we go. Oh, nice. So for me, I would just go ahead and add in some foundation there. Also put some foundation along the edge of the lace so it just blends better with my skin. So let's do that. And I will say, like, the Got2b freeze spray definitely has a better hold than the even one, and I still have my even one because I didn't finish it yet, but honestly I don't think I'm going to use it because it really does not hold well at all. Like, so I'm just gonna add in some foundation. You can also use like baby hairs to hide the very edge of the lace, or you can use a lace tint to you know, have the lace more match your skin tone. So this isn't, like, you can see the lace isn't really HD lace, but honestly it's not too bad. You could also bleach the lace if you want so it can blend in better with your skin. I didn't do that, as you can see, but honestly this is the wig. Obviously I have not styled it. This is just me, you know, putting it on straight out the box. I would style it. I would definitely add some curls into this. Like, for me personally, when it comes to body wave, I like to just use a wand curler, add some big curls, and then just brush out so I get the nice wavy look that you're supposed to have with a body wave wig. And you can see that it does have some waves, but because it just came out the package, it's not the neatest right now. But I would just brush that out, and as you guys can see, I'm running my fingers through and it's not shedding. It's not. I did purchase this wig like with my own money. This was not sent to me. This is not a sponsored video, but this is like my honest opinion. But honestly, I would give this I honestly would give this a 5 out of 5 because honestly it just looks so good. And even though it's not HD lace, still, like, it doesn't look bad right now. Like, and this color is really giving. This color is so pretty. I just love the coppery color for this time of year, and I just think it just looks really well with my skin tone. So it's not too long. It is only 18 inches, so it's hitting me about boob length, so it's not crazy long. You could get longer. I just didn't choose to get it like super long. Plus, like I said, I paid for this with my own money, and I don't remember the price out of the top of my head, but I want to say it's probably around like between like 150 180, but it's definitely under 200 because it's only a lace bar. It's 150% hair density, so it's not too thick, but it's not like flimsy either, and it is only 18 inches. So there's that. But yes, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know what you think about this wig in the comments down below. As always, I will have the wig linked and all the details in the description box. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it as always, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
Don't think you care about me.